first day of online school like?
I really enjoyed it and it was really exciting. The thing that I enjoyed is that we had a chance to experience a new type of school.
How long did it take you to get used to the new system?
It didn't take me so long because of all of the help and the instructions that our teachers gave us and some help from YouTube tutorials.
What do you like most about this type of school?
The thing that I like the most about this type of school is that we can wake up late, like literally we can wake up at 8 and school starts at 8 and not be late to class. And one more thing that I enjoy in this type of school is that we can eat and drink during class. Like, that's amazing.
What don't you like about this school?
I don't like that we can't see our friends, classmates and teachers, and that we can't directly talk to our teachers to ask them about something that we don't understand. But except that, I really think online schooling is better than regular schooling.
Do you think you'll be able to go back to school?
I do think, even though I prefer online schooling.
Would you prefer to have this type of school or regular school?
I would definitely prefer to have online school over regular school because of the advantages that it has. The one thing that I would add to this online schooling that we have now in Croatia is that we have the class via video.
Do you have a message to the teachers?
My message to the teachers is that I'm really grateful for all the work that they did and how quickly they got used to the system so they can teach us something, and just like keep up the great work.
Thank you.